Exposing the truth behind microwaving metal. Curious about what happens? Let's break down the science behind it. Metals are excellent conductors of electricity, and microwaves are essentially electromagnetic waves. When you put metal in a microwave, it acts like an antenna creating electric fields. This can lead to sparks and in some cases even small fires. But here's a fun fact, not all metals are equally dangerous. Thin, crumpled aluminum foil, bad idea. It can cause sparks to fly. But a spoon or a fork? Surprisingly, they're less risky because they have fewer sharp edges to concentrate the electric field. Now let's bust a myth. Contrary to popular belief, putting metal in the microwave doesn't always lead to an immediate explosion. It's more about the shape and the type of metal. So why risk it? Your microwave in your kitchen will thank you. Remember, science can be cool, but safety is cooler. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and drop a comment with your wildest microwave myths.